food. Jessica's feeding the chick. Feed. Tritik. Asi. Yay. Are you feeding the chick? More? They're afraid of you, Nak. Get some more cow. Sige. Give it to chick. Sige. Done? Hala, I think she's feeding the kuan. She's wasting the kuan.
No, it's okay.
Oh, no. Really? Afraid? Why are you afraid? Why are you afraid? The chick making noise? Oh, chick. Oh. I listen. What? Are you enjoying your feed?
Mommy,
Food. Sige, feed the chick. Oh, wow, good job.
mommy, food.
Food. Yay, good job.
Mommy, food.
Food for the chick. Ding.
Mommy, food.
Food. Yan, Jessica feeding the chick.
Mommy, food.
Food. You know, in Philippines, we call the chicken like this if they wanna eat. We call like that. Honey. In Philippines, we call the chicken and they come. When we make like this. Like noise like that. Yeah. Here in Kuan, yeah, food. Here in UK, the chicken doesn't know what's
Chicken food.
chick food.
Hey, yes,
Are you done?
chicken.
Hi, chick. Yeah, Jessica, British baby, half British baby feeding. I mix British baby di ay. Feeding the chick. Serious guys, nanay. Ang serious naman ni nanay magkuan ng... I think you're... Honey, look at your daughter, oh. Careful.
Make sure she cleans her hands. In a minute, okay? Don't put her hands in her mouth.
Dan?
No,
No. Oh no.
chicken food.
Chick's food. Chick food.
Chicken food.
Chick food. Wow. The chick is not eating anymore. They're done. Do you wanna take this one off?
Oh,
It's warm.
warm
It's from Tita Antonia, this dress.
dress.
Oh, it's cold again.
Chicken.
Chick.
Chicken food.
Chick food. The chick is not eating anymore.
Eat.
Eat, eat. Tell the chick that they need to eat. Tell them. Chick food need to eat. Tell them eat ba. Eat, eat. Hi. What's your name? What's your name? Huh? What's that? What? Unsa na? You say light. Ang ganda ng bahay ni Bayaw, guys, oh. Yes. Light. It's solar light. Hala ka, imo man ang giibot. Samaan ka na si imong uncle, day. Anak ra ha, don't kuan ibot-ibot it. No, ibot-ibot ha. Okay?
Okay.
Kinsay gwapa?